India, one of the oldest living civilizations, has also been home to one of the richest treasures of art and culture. And it is our privilege to be able to share this gift with the United States of America in an effort to unite two of the greatest countries in the world. Please do log on to www.namasteamerica.in to find out a whole lot more about what's in store for you this year from Namaste America.
Hello, India. Hello, Bharat. Here I am in this tiny little room with the President of the United States, and Michelle Obama comes waltzing in a hugely happy mood from that event. So she starts dancing around like this, and then the President starts dancing around like this. So this tiny little room, and I'm trying to figure out what to do, and I had no camera to prove this. So it was just a wonderful moment, but it's proof that there's so much energy in our relationship. You know, the President spent the most time in any country here in India during that visit on his international journeys.
She is a supremely talented film actress who turned heads from her very first TV commercial and stole hearts from her first film, Parinita. She has won numerous awards for that film and her other films like Pa and Ishqiya, and critics have lauded her performance in her latest film, No One Killed Jessica 2. And as someone who has seen this film, every bit of praise is truly deserving of this soft-spoken, beautiful lady, someone whom India is most definitely proud of. So ladies and gentlemen, please do welcome onto stage Ms. Vidya Balan. And could I please request Vidya to say a few words? Thank you.
Good evening, everyone, and yes, Namaste, and the order of the day being Namaste America. I'm extremely happy to be here this evening because I was there for the very first meeting as part of the Advisory Council. So I want to begin by congratulating our team, the Namaste America team, in making this possible. We actually met, we didn't know where we were headed. It was an extremely invigorating session, if I may say so. Lots of ideas were exchanged, and I was quiet most of the time because there were so many people who had so many fantastic ideas, and I was just soaking it all in. And I must say that I'm a bit ashamed of the fact that I've not been involved with Namaste America to the extent that I would have liked to be involved with. But I'm happy to be here this evening, and it gives me great pride. My sociology comes to aid here. I did my MA in sociology, and culture is really the truest form of exchange between people. So what better way to bring together two nations, the two great nations of India and America. There have been cultural exchanges in many ways, especially popular culture, films, music. But I think what we're attempting to do here is more holistic, of not just restricting our exchanges to Bollywood extravaganzas or a few jazz performances. We're hoping to truly export our culture in a sense, and to import their culture, so that there's a better understanding between our people. And like Paul said, and like Mr. Nishar said, that is going to aid trade and everything across the board. So it is a very humble effort. I think congratulations and all the very best to Paul Formsby to Mr. Atul Nishad and our entire team. Thank you all for coming here today, and importantly, I must divulge a very little secret that when Mr. Nishad called me and he said, we're starting, we want to meet on this, we didn't have a name at that point, Namaste America. I said, okay, why do you want me to be there? Because he said, we're actually casting you in our first Indo-American production starring George Clooney. So that's the first strong tie that is being forged. If I do get married to him, the tie is going to get stronger. Okay, jokes apart, thank you very, very much. And thank you for all your support.
From the advisory board on stage, our honorary chairman, Mr. Paul Formsby, U.S. Consul General Mumbai, is already on stage. I request Mr. Habil Khurakiwala, Chairman, Walk Hard Limited, Dr. Indu Shahani, Sheriff of Mumbai and Principal HR College, Mr. Neeraj Bajaj, Director, Bajaj Group, who is already on stage, Pramit Zaveri, CEO, Citibank India, Shamak Davar, International Performer and Choreographer and Managing Committee Member, Nayan Patel, Executive Director, Patel Extrusion Group, Raman Maru, Managing Director, Shemaru Entertainment, Anne E. Grimes, Director, American Center, Angela L. Gemza, Cultural Affairs Officer, U.S. Consulate, Trudy D'Souza, Executive Director, Namaste America, to please join us on stage now to light the Samain, the traditional oil lamp, inviting an auspicious start to this venture. Could I please invite Mr. David Tyler, Chief of the Consular Section, to acknowledge the guests who are on stage on behalf of the U.S. Consulate. Mr. David Tyler, ladies and gentlemen.
I would be remiss in not also thanking our charming Master of Ceremonies, Suchetra Pillai, who will carry our evening.